This is the Hollyland Lark M2 USB-C version. I'm going to be using them with my iPhone 15. The idea is so that the quality of my voice is better and you're able to hear more car sounds when I do car videos. I can step away from the phone so I don't have to hold it. I'm going to have Julie be recording, which is going to help out for just quality. So I'm super excited to get into this unboxing with you. All right, let's go ahead and get into the packaging. Okay, so we got some pamphlets and stuff. I'll open that in just a second. We got the headphones, the Lav mics here. So once you get the headphones, once you get the Lav mics out, I'm putting them to the side. I opened up this little flap here. It has some silica gel, don't eat that. And then some goodies from Hollyland. Let's go ahead and see what we got. What'd they give us? All right, so I got everything out on the table. So you have the little clips that are magnetic for the Lav mics themselves. I'm thinking this is some sort of like lanyard so you can keep them around your neck. This is a windscreen, which I'm really excited about because I do a lot of recording outside. Inside, not too worried about voice quality or audio quality, but I mean, it's still going to be better. And I will connect the mics so that, I will connect at least one of them so you guys can hear the difference between my iPhone and the Lav mic. I actually have a buddy of mine. His name is Rafi Red. You got to check him out on YouTube. He does awesome travel videos. He uses the Mark 1s. And what's funny is I had messaged him and I was like, yo, what do you think about these Hollyland Lav mics before I had picked them up? And he's like, oh yeah, I have the M1s. They're awesome. And I was like, oh my gosh, I've watched your videos and I think your audio quality is great. That's why I asked you. So perfect that he uses them. So I'm super excited. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and put them on, finish out the video. This is just so you could see what all was in the packaging. You got a little carrying case, USB-C charger. This is another one of the windscreens. They call them dead cat windscreens. So yeah, let's get into the sound test. Just wanted to add a quick note. They're supposed to be as simple as plug and play. So we're going to see if that's the case. I'll let you guys know if it's that easy. Check, 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 mic check, mic check. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? This is just a test, just a test. Honestly, I was listening back to the audio quality myself just on my phone, and I didn't notice a huge difference. So, we'll see when we're doing, obviously I'm less than 6 inches away from my phone. So that's going to be a little bit of a, the mics on the phones are actually really good until you get further away. So I'm curious how that's going to look. The other thing is the range on these is, I want to say it's like 100-something feet. So like you can be pretty far away from, the subject or the camera and still get great quality out of that. The iPhone, you're 6 feet away, you're not picking up diddly squat, or you're picking up birds and all types of other stuff. Check, check. This is with the mic. What do you guys think? Do you notice a huge difference? I'm moving around a little bit, see if it picks up. I'm moving my shirt, if it picks up any of that. So super excited. I can't wait to use this for some of the car videos. I think with this windscreen, we're going to be able to get some awesome sound from the exhaust, when people are leaving Cars and Coffee, or, if I'm just doing a review video. I think that the quality is going to be a lot better. I'm super excited. And please, if you like this video, make sure you thumbs it up. Make sure you subscribe. Yo, just wanted to give a quick shot of where I have the microphone, how the quality is. Super happy with it. I think it sounds fantastic. What do you guys think? Make sure you drop a comment. And if you've heard of other streamers or heard of other content creators that have Lav mics, please let me know. If you want to drop their ats in the comments, that way I can look up and see what mics they're using if you think that they have one that sounds better. But I think for under $300, you really can't beat this Lark M2. Like, it's fantastic. I'm super happy with it. Hollyland really knocked it out of the park, and I can't wait to use it outside. So I'll do some outside shots before I, finish out the video, but just wanted to, check in with you guys and let you know how I think it's going so far. That's sick. Nice little M3. This is with the gimbal. Okay, so we got that. That's pretty sick. I like. We got the carbon fiber on the spoiler. That's pretty cool. It's clean. That is clean. And I hope you have a great day. And, you know, moving forward, I'm going to be using these a lot more frequently. Also, just a heads up, if you didn't know, I do stream on Twitch. I play video games. I play Fortnite, Marvel Rivals I've recently been playing, World of Warcraft, Call of Duty Black Ops. Pretty much anything that's current, I've been playing. I'm not great, but I do like to play with viewers. So, you know, if you're ever playing and you want to play, hit your boy up. Later.